welcome back. I am again back with some another Excel video. So in this particular video our topic would be something like arranging the columns in our own order. So maybe I have made this particular table, and later on I would like to make like English, and there will be English, then Hindi, then maths, and then chemistry, and then maybe physics. So I'll be reordering the names of the columns. And how can I do that without instead of using control X, and that would take pretty much time. I mean, cut and paste and rearrange the whole of the table. So that is our motto. But while going on to work on that particular problem set scenario, I'll be also showing you how to quickly fill up this particular table with some data, random data. So I'll be using here, as usual, I'll be using here char, and this char would be converting row. So if I am in a column, so if I write A65, so 65 to 90 means 65, we have the two ranges, 97 to 122 and 65 to 90 and 97 to 122. That's the ASCII value ranges for characters, which are ASCII value for characters. And this is doing is that if I drag the fill handler way across down the row, so the row number, so A is the column number, so the row means the row will be incrementing. So 65 means A, 66 means something like that. So let me press enter, and let's see if I drag it a little bit here, maybe up to this one. We'll be having all these names, and then we'll be creating a random data out in here, filling out the data. So what we'll be writing is that we'll be writing a function equal to rand between, and this rand between function will be, the range will be from, so the pass marks is 35, so I'll be giving a little lesser than 35, we'll be giving 32, and maybe none has scored more than 91, so I'll be writing 91. And instead of pressing enter, so if you press enter, the value will be generated only in this cell, but if you press control enter, so all of this cell will be having this particular. So that's how quickly you can make data, fill the data series your own. So let me press control C, because each of these cell is having this particular formula. So if I press F9 from my keyboard, so F9, no, F5, okay, so F5 is go to, it's F9, so I am using laptop. So if I reload my this particular Excel worksheet, what will happen is that this formula will again be, I mean, this Excel sheet will again be loaded, and whenever this Excel gets refreshed or loaded, this rand between function will again get loaded, and this data will change, so which is not what I intend. So I'll be going to the paste special function, and I'll be pasting all of them as values, and now we are having in each cell only the values. Now comes the part which will be, I'm pressing escape from my keyboard to deselect all of these items. So now comes our main motto, to rearrange the items. So I need a helper column, so I'll be pressing Ctrl Shift plus from my keyboard to so notice here it has changed to B, because this is 66, so card or 66, whatever it is. So name will be in first column, fine. English will be the second one, and Hindi will be maybe the third one, and mathematics will be the fourth one, and then we'll be having maybe chemistry 5, and then maybe 6. This is the order in which you would like to arrange this particular table. So that's the helper column, which will be deleting later onwards after making this table particularly formatted. So we'll be selecting this whole range of cells, all of this range of cells, and we'll be going to this particular option, sort and filter, and we'll be selecting this custom sort option. From there we'll be selecting this button options, and we'll be sort from left to right, so left means, yeah, from left to right. In the left side we have 1, and left to right means 1 2, that will be arranged, okay. And then we'll be sorting over row 1, and then press OK. So that's how it has been arranged. So name, then English, Hindi, maths, chemistry, and physics. So now we don't need this helper column anymore. So what we can do is that we can simply press Ctrl minus from our keyboard to delete that particular helper column. So that's how you can arrange your column data according to your wish, according to your own, according to your own, the way you want to arrange it, instead of using Ctrl C, Ctrl V, or maybe Ctrl X, cut, paste. So arranging the column labels by that procedure is a lengthy one. This is a shortcut way in which you can easily arrange it. So that's all for this particular video session. I'll be again back with some other problem set scenarios. That's all for this. Happy coding, guys, and thank you.